Welcome back to Traveling Cloud. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to homestead on abandoned land that nobody else is using? The answer might surprise you. In fact, all 50 states have laws that allow you to claim vacant land by living on it. But how does it work exactly? Let's dive into the realm of adverse possession laws and discover the fascinating process of homesteading. Understanding adverse possession. Adverse possession laws grant you the opportunity to claim vacant land by living on it, essentially homesteading the property. To establish your claim, you must fulfill certain requirements. These include maintaining continuous control over the land for a specified period, which varies by state, not having permission from the owner, openly residing on the property, and exercising actual and exclusive control over it. But wait. Is it a free-for-all on any vacant lot you stumble upon? Well, there's much more to know. Living on someone else's land to gain possession may seem contradictory since it's initially considered illegal until a court rules it to be legal. Welcome to the perplexing world of a catch-22 situation. The purpose and history of adverse possession laws. Adverse possession laws have a long history, dating back to ancient Rome, where squatters could take possession of land if the owners were absent for a certain period. The primary purpose of these laws is to prevent valuable vacant land from being wasted when owners neglect or lose interest in it. Currently, such laws are in force in many countries with legal systems based on common law, including England, Wales, and all 50 states of the United States. Requirements for claiming adverse possession. To claim legal title of a property you do not own through adverse possession, according to Cornell Law School, you must meet 5 key requirements. Continuous possession, you must maintain uninterrupted possession of the property. Hostile possession, your possession must infringe on the rights of the true owner. Open and notorious possession, your occupation must be obvious to anyone who observes it. Actual possession, the true owner must have a cause of action for trespass. Exclusive possession, you must have sole control over the property without sharing it with anyone else. An important takeaway is that you must be in violation of trespass laws for adverse possession to apply. If the real owner confronts you and demands that you leave during your occupation, you must comply. Additionally, the continuity requirement means that the clock for adverse possession is reset if your possession is interrupted. Determining the duration for adverse possession. In the United States, each state has its own distinct take on adverse possession laws, including the duration of possession required to claim title. The duration necessary to homestead a piece of land and claim adverse possession varies from 5 to 30 years. Here's all the information you need to know about every state. It's important to note that these requirements and timeframes may change, so it's advisable to consult a legal professional or research the latest laws in your specific state before considering adverse possession. Additional requirements for adverse possession. Some states impose additional requirements for claiming adverse possession. Furthermore, certain states may reduce the required possession time if you fulfill specific conditions. Examples of these conditions include paying property taxes on the lot or presenting some form of deed or documentation, which need not be legally binding. Remember, adverse possession does not apply to public lands, such as public parks, forests, or government-owned lands. Therefore, unless the land is privately owned, adverse possession cannot be claimed. Join us as we unravel the secrets of homesteading on abandoned property. Whether you're fascinated by the legal aspects or seeking alternative living options, our channel offers captivating content on travel, legal insights, and alternative lifestyles. Subscribe now to Traveling Cloud and explore a world where abandoned land becomes a pathway to a new beginning. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's embark on this adventure together.